Okay, so we are asked to write 36 as a product of its prime factors. Prime numbers are, of course, numbers which are only divisible by 1 and themselves. Now, I like to use what I call a factor tree, which is really nice because I don't have to do it in any order. I can just say, well, 36 is any two numbers I can think of which multiply to give 36. So I'm going to go with 6 and 6. 6 is a 36. Is 6 a prime number? No, it's not. So let's see what we can write that as. Well, that's 2 times 3. And 2 is a prime number, and 3 is a prime number. So I stop there. And I've got another 6. So I do 2 times 3 again. And I stop there and stop there. And so 36 is, well, let's write it in a nice order. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. I could have done this with 9s and 4s and things, but I did it with 6 times 6. And there is my answer.